Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna make fried rice Indomie or Nasi Goreng Magelang. For ingredients, let's check down below. For ingredients, you will need 1 pack of Indomie mie goreng or fried noodle, about 100 to 150 grams of rice, leftover rice that's been stored in the fridge for about overnight, 1 beaten egg. Now we have a little bit of yu choy or any vegetable you like. You can use bok choy or anything you like. I have 2 large shallots, 3 cloves of garlic, and then 3 chili. For the chili, if you don't like it, you can completely skip it. And then I will have sweet soy sauce. Last, it's salt and pepper for a little bit of seasoning. Now let's start cooking. First, you want to boil some water to cook the noodle. So the noodle will take about 3 minutes. Check the packaging. I usually cook for about 2 minutes. So while we're waiting this is boiling, we're gonna create a garlic paste. So for the garlic paste or the blended spice, I'm gonna use mortar and pestle. You wanna pretty much crush everything until it creates a paste, which is the shallots, the garlic, and the chili. I'm going to use a little bit of salt just to help to grind all of them. So this is the blended spice looks like. So now we're going to cook this. When the water is boiling, just cook your noodle. I'm going to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, just turn off the heat and then you're gonna drain all the water. So after you drain all the water, I'm gonna wash it out with cold water just to stop the cooking process. So now, in your wok, you can put a little bit of oil. So first, I'm gonna scramble the egg. So after the egg is scrambled, I'm gonna put in the blended spice. I'm gonna cook this for about a minute or 2, just until the blended spice became fragrant. Now, when it became fragrant, I'm gonna cook the vegetable. So when the vegetable is soft, I'm gonna add the rice. I'm gonna cook the rest for a little bit. Now I'm gonna lower my heat to medium low. And now I'm gonna put the noodle. I'm gonna break the noodle. Mix it. And now you want to add the seasoning from the Indomie package. Mix them up. Give it a little taste. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of sweet soy sauce and a little bit of pepper. Now you're gonna turn off the heat and you're gonna plate this. So there you go, guys. This is the final result, the fried rice Indomie. For garnishing, I usually use fried shallots, but you can use a green onion also, that's perfect. And there you go. The fried rice Indomie is ready to serve. So that's it for our today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe, because subscribe it costs you nothing, but it really helps us. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.